Here I have Motorola Moto C Plus, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number by using all possible methods. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the secret code. Let's open the phone's dialer and keypad, and let's use this secret code *#06#. And as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up. As you can see, I've got two IMEI numbers because I can input here two nano SIM cards. Let's tap OK. Now let me show you how to get access to this information by using settings. So let's open the list of all applications. Let's choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Afterwards, let's select status. Here you can read the serial number and also other stuff such as Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi, MAC address. But if you would like to read the IMEI information, let's select the IMEI info settings. Here you've got the access to your IMEI numbers. You may also check physically your IMEI number, so all you have to do is simply remove the back cover and the battery. Let me do it. Let's use the cavity at the bottom of the phone. Let's open the back cover. Right here, let's remove the battery by using this cavity. And under the battery, you can read the FCC ID right here, the model number and such stuff, as also the serial number and two IMEI numbers. You can also use the barcodes with these numbers. So that's it. Now let's close the battery and close the back cover protection. Now all you have to do is simply press power key to switch on the device. So the Moto C Plus is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it, now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.